हॅन्सफोर्थ टॉलरेट केलो वयचो ना आसोन कोणूय भितर असल्या पद्दतीचे इन्सिडंट्सान इंटरफियरन्स करचे न्ही. तांच्यांनी येवन म्हाका रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलां. म्हणजे ज्यो युएसच्यान हांगासर ज्यो क्रूज येता आनी तांकां एखादी त्यांची हे बस थांबोवप उतरप आपल्याच बसीन तांकां 2 किलोमीटर परत हे केन्नाच सरकार टॉलरेट ह्यान फुडें करचें ना. आनी ज्या पद्दतीन जर ते हांवें इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायला आनी ड्रायव्हराचेर जर थापटूय मारला आसत जाल्यार तांकां अरेस्टूय करपाक लायला हांवें. कोणूच अशा पद्दतीन म्हणजे टॅक्सीवाल्यांची अशा पद्दतीची दादागिरी ह्यान फुडें केन्नाच खपोवन घेतली वयची ना.
The guest came up walking for 1 kilometer from the cruise to the coaches where it was parked, and the taxi drivers get out the coach and they did not allow the guests to get into the coaches. Okay, so they hit the driver also. They slapped the driver, of the bus driver. Okay, and they told him to get out of that area with the coach.
They have a lot of local support from
the local panchayat,
from the panchayats, from the
MLAs,
the ministers. So they're just threatening. They're not intimidating. They are not allowing the travel agents to function with their legitimate business. Fundamental rights are being compromised. We all know that you and I, whenever we travel, we have a choice of what we want to use. Goa's name is being tarnished completely here.
About 3 luxury cruise liners, planning to dock Goa. They have immediately sent us the cancellation in knowing this issue because it is a threat to the tourist life. Yesterday they were stopped. They were denied to explore Goa.
And the CM has assured us that strict action will be taken on these drivers who created this incident yesterday, and he has promised that such things will never happen again.
80 पॅसेंजर देवले बोटीच्यान ते बसीन वचपाक आनी भायर हेंचे मदीं आशिल्ले ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ते समजले की हे आतां पॅसेंजर येयला आनी आमकां हे भाडें मेळटलें म्हणून. सो हे कन्फ्युजनान ते बसी कडेन पावना लोक आनी हितून कन्फ्युजनान ते लोक म्हणले की हांगासर कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा ते काडले आनी ते बसीन काडले ते सगळे पॅसेंजर 80 वचून बोटीन बसले.